Thank you, Mr. Chair. Item 5A for discussion resolution confirming the appointments of the following. Attorney Ralph Vincent S. Macalino, Attorney Noel M. Luso, the City Administrator, and Mr. Jose Aubrey Pelayo, City Government Department Head 2, the City Information Officer, and Dr. Francisco L. Villanueva Jr., City Government Department Head 2, City College of Angeles. Can I move for the suspension of the rules, Mr. Chair?
The rules suspended?
Yes. I think the track record of Mr. Pelayo speaks for himself na. Kaya po siguro, napili po ng ating mayor to head again the CIO po of Angeles City. So I'm also opening the floor, Mr. Chair, to any question as to the appointment of Mr. Pelayo as the City Information Officer under the administration of Mayor John Nazarin, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Aguas.
Mr. Chair, I know that Mr. Pelayo is very much qualified for this role. So, congratulations.
Mr. Jose Aubrey P. Pelayo, I just want to welcome you back dito po sa Angeles City. And hindi ko pa po makakalimutan nung intergovernment, nung tinalo niyo po kami. I was part of the team ONA nun. Yung sinigo mo pa ako dito sa leeg. So, sana po magkaroon.
What are you implying now, Councilor Bayo?
Maganda ako. Welcome back po. Congratulations po.
Okay. Councilor Pamintuan.
Congratulate po kayong lahat na nandito. Ako'y natutuwa dahil kasama ko po si Jay Pelayo hindi lang sa trabaho, kundi simula nung bata po ako.
Bata ka pa?
Bata pa lang. Hindi ko po siya kasama sa ilalim ng baka na mamala, pero alam po niya ako, kilala ko rin po siya. So, go-to person po ni daddy ko, si Jay Pelayo. Kaya malaki po yung respeto ko sa kanya. Kaya congratulations and welcome back to Angeles City.
It's really nice to see familiar faces again, and of course si Sir Jay, I've been privileged to work with him, and just the same like my colleagues here, I wish to welcome them and also congratulate them for being appointed by our city mayor. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Injongo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Jay, welcome back sa Angeles City. I miss the days when we were at PAM during sa CIO times mo. So, alam namin na nasa mabuting office ang CIO office at well updated sa mga kaganapan sa Angeles. And I would like to congratulate personally. Alam ko po na lalong magiging makabuluhan ang term po ni Mayor John Nazarin with your respective offices. Again, congratulations po sa iyo lahat.
Sir Jay Pelayo.
Thank you very much, Vice Mayor. To the 20th Sangguniang Pangusod, thank you very much for welcoming me back. It feels so nice to be home sa city. And thank you for those kind words. Kakaiba po ang administrasyon natin ngayon. If you see the city mayor, meron na siyang binibigay na statement kahit consistent siya doon sa kita kasalita na kanagawa. I've been observing him especially doon sa pagpasa pa lang ng Executive Order number 1. Usually kasi, pag hindi ka naka-prepare, usually ang Executive Order number 1 is the suspension of classes. Dahil that's the time na tag-ulan, rainy season. Pero meron na tayo agad na impact, and that is the suspension of the environmental fee. And me naman po as your City Information Officer, I would also like to extend my services to the City Council. We could collaborate if I'm thinking of coming up with a separate social media account exclusively for the Sangguniang Pangusod, para alam naman po ng ating mga kabayan dito sa Angeles City na kung ano talaga yung functions at mga ginagawa ng Sangguniang Panlusod ng ating mga members ng City Council. Para lahat ng mga ginagawa ng mga ordinances, resolutions, at iba pa mga activities and programs ng inyong mga committee ay nako-convey po natin yung mga messaging sa lahat ng ating mga constituents. So, kung nais ko rin po na magkaroon ng mga iba pang mga media platforms, I'll be glad to help and extend my services for the City Council. Maraming salamat.
Item 10.6 is a resolution confirming the appointment of Mr. Jose Aubrey B. Pelayo IV as City Government Department Head 2, City Information Office. And I move for the approval item 10.6. Apela, Mr. Chair.
Again, for item 10.6, is approved, Apela.
Now, Mr. Chair, can we go back to item 5A?
Please proceed.
Yes, I move for the termination of the discussion. And we congratulate our newly appointed officers, City Administrator, City Information Officer, and the City Legal Officer, and the Head of the City College of Angeles. So, I move this.
Photo ops.
Alright.